For mastery of this standard, 6A, I engaged in several activities that assisted others in developing our knowledge of the content and pedagogy. We participated in many voice thread, interacting with my peers. This particular one that I did attach addresses where technology fits and what is technology. For further examples of ways that I completed this standard was learning about professional organizations such as AECT and researching those organizations and looking at some of the things that were being discussed at their various conferences. I found really interesting to see the trends that were happening in technology. With the AECT, the technology trends seem to focus on 21st century learning, collaboration, various instructional practices, digital media, and taking a look at the different emerging technologies. And of course, schools are very interested in emerging technologies that are going to be very cost effective. And so how are they going to be a great conference that I would probably want to attend, looking at what technologies are coming out that are free or very inexpensive and how we can integrate some of these tools into the classroom. Another professional organization that we looked at was ISTE. And of course, we're using those standards as part of our matrix for completing this program. And ISTE really provides us educational standards, and it was really good to take a look at some of their policies and to see how they are contributing to the professional growth of the field in instructional technology, and how they are encouraging teachers to participate in this. And we also looked at some of the emerging trends at their conferences. Again, maker spaces continue to be a trend where students are getting hands-on education. How are we going to use social media effectively in the classroom? Do we let the kids use social media in the classroom? And part of this is developing digital citizenship. All of these things are questions that as professionals we need to be asking. How do we integrate these emerging technologies into our classroom, like augmented reality, virtual scavenger hunts, and again, just general leadership skills. How are we going to be leaders? And knowing what these resources are out there, they can really help us as technology coaches know where to go for networking and how to support each other, and to know just that we're not alone in this. And this can encourage other technology coaches and those that we're helping to really support the implementation of these technologies, because we're not throwing these ideas out there just because it's cool and fun, but we're giving these instructions because there's research on this. We're giving these suggestions because they've been successful in other environments. So this is really important to know where these professional organizations are and to know how to access the research so that we can support that effective technology implementation, so that we have the research to back up what the changes that we want to make.